Steve and I have a 2019 WRX here in the shop, Subaru WRX, and we're getting ready to check the underhood fluids in it.
So we've got a brake fluid over here. We can shake this. We can see it's full to the full level. That's great right there. We just did a service on it, so we want to check our battery terminals, make sure nothing's corroded. That all looks nice. This is good here. This is our coolant overflow jug, and it's full. We can get a light, you can see it. It's down here. It's got coolant right to the mark right here. This is the antifreeze level. You never want to take this off when it's hot. We got a rag on it. We're just going to take off. We're going to push down a little bit. And I'm going to see if there's any force pushing out, and there's not, so I can peel it back. Fluid level is right up to the top.
Yeah, and if you check this, you always do when the motor's cold.
Yep. So we've got this. Serpentine belt is in great condition. Here's our oil dipstick. And we're going to wipe it. We put it in. We just did the oil, so the level's right up to the full mark. So it's right to the full mark here. So we're good.
And the wiper fluid.
Washer fluid is over here on this side right here. You slip your cap up, and you can fill that up.
All right, yeah, you just put
Need some. We got to get some in it.
Yeah, that's empty. And then there's no transmission fluid on this car to check, right? Not a dipstick. There's fluid in it, but there's no dipstick to check.
Yeah.
So that'd be it on the underhood fluid check on the Subaru WRX.